Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to buy stocks with Raenest app. So what you need to do is to open your Raenest app, and this is like a test form. So it's going to welcome you and it's going to log you in. So yes, let's go into our trading. So the first thing you just do is to like fund your trading app. You see the second one, the second drop down here is card. The third one here is what stocks. So when you fund your Raenest app by clicking on add money, you probably add money from your USD to your trading account. So the next thing you do is, as a beginner, it's always good to start with the ETFs, especially these ones for beginners. And I think the minimum stock you can buy is like, I don't know, but I think it's like $2. So let's check. Now, to be honest with you, this is my first time doing it, and you can see the market is open. So all we just need to do is, now what you need to just check here is, you can see the dividends you're going to get 1%. Open is at $6. That is, if you buy one full stock is about $674.98. Then the highest it will go is 0.32, 0.25. Then the lowest it can even go is 0.46. So let's buy. This is a very, very secured stock to buy, I believe. So let's buy stock of $2. Since they say the minimum is $2, so let's buy this $2. Yes. So when you put $2 here, then you just put there we are paying. You see $2 total fee, $2. You're not paying any. This is the estimated shares you're going to be getting. You can see the estimated shares here, 0.0028 blah 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 blah. Then click on what continue. When you click on continue, then you just confirm that you're buying that stock. So ladies and gentlemen, we've added that stock to our portfolio. So go back home. So you can see your total portfolio is $2. If it is increasing, you'll see it is increasing. If it is low going down, you'll see it has gone down. You understand? So you can always explore this. If you want to also liquidate, that there'll be a video for that one. So there's also, in the Raenest app, there's also an AI portfolio summary. You understand? So you can see the AI portfolio summary. This is just telling you how your stuff has performed. So the Raenest app is really, really good. I really like it. It's really, really very beautiful. So let's go and buy another stock, because money is meant to be used. I just opened my Raenest app and I saw that I had some money, because one thing I do is that it's a very good app to save your money, and it's also a very good app towards. So this is Tesla stock. Everybody is Tesla. This is a beautiful stock to buy. Let's check. Now, this is not stock analysis. This is just stock buying. You understand? So the market cap is, this is the market cap, trillions of naira. You understand? The market cap can be trillions of naira, but you see the open and the low high. This is so beautiful. So you can buy as much as you want. Wow. So Tesla stock is good. So there's a thing for market analysis. You can think about that, but let's also look at more stocks to buy as a beginner. So let's go over to these ETFs again. Go to the beginner part. Now, this ETF is all about just mixing the top big 50, S&P 500, like the top 50, top 500 companies in, just mixing everything together. So let's buy Vanguard. Let's see if we can buy Vanguard. How is their stock like? Is it improving? Is it reducing? Now, stock may not give you life-changing money, but it's just a way to secure your funds. Stock is just a way to secure your funds. So let's see how much Vanguard is. So Vanguard is massive. So just to play with money, let's just buy. I'm supposed to buy $3 with S&P 500 and maybe $2 here. But nevertheless, I also want to buy Tesla stock. Now this is just giving you options. It's just giving you like, let me buy. It's just making you be like a big man, you know. So you can see the gainers, people that are gaining. You can now see the losers. These are the loser stock. These are the gainer stock. You understand? So, if you have any stock in mind, you can also search it. Can you search stocks? But you can just see all. So let's look at. So do you buy the dip when it comes to stock? Do you buy the dip or you buy the winners? Because you can see some are rising at 2 plus 20%. You can see massive Forts Bioscience, blah blah blah. You can see Star Surgery Company, Merlin, different things here. So should we buy the gainers or we should buy the losers? Understand? These are losing by a massive margin. So I'm going to take the biggest risks here and I'm going to buy the winners. I don't know what does this mean, but I know I have $3 to use to test life. So nevertheless, I am going to test it anyway. So I am going to buy this stock. Okay, they said, so what is the dividends? What is the potential dividends here? I don't know the potential dividends, but and again, one thing you need to know is that because you saw a stock is winning, doesn't mean you should go and buy it. So also check the market cap. I also check the high and the low. So is this a good stock to buy? Well, the safest stock to buy, I just feel like, is the S&P 500 if you don't know anything about stocks. But I'm going to study this later. So I am going to go again to the S&P 500 and I'm going to try and buy $1 stock. Yeah. I'm going to try and buy $1 stock and see if it's possible. If it's not possible, then I'm going to buy the normal $2 because I think $2 is the minimum. So let's go over to $1. So you can see the minimum buying in Raenest app is $2. So I don't want to waste money. I'll just put $3 here. So I put $3 and I'm buying it regardless. Even though I don't know what this is. Total fees. They are charging me fees. I don't have money for fees though. It probably wouldn't go. Oh, it has gone. Wow. So I just added 2 stock to my portfolio. Guys, I've started my stock business with what 4.2 in my portfolio. So you can see I'm already gaining. You can see my stocks are already gaining. So I've already gained 0.03 in my SPY. SPY is just like S&P 500. You can see I've already gained that one. So imagine I just close my eyes and leave this stuff for like maybe 100 million years. You know what is going to happen. Now, let me see how to get your money back. Maybe you're tired, you want to sell. So you can just click on sell. And how many shares do you want to sell? So available shares. So you can just click on 0. If you want to sell, you can sell total amount. Maybe you want to sell like $2. Will you get that $2 back instantly? Let's check. If I put in that $2, will I get that $2 back? SPY. Will I get that $2 back? Sorry for the network, guys. My network is bad. Let me also change the network. All right. So you can see if I sell this stock, I'm going to be losing. So it's not wise to sell it. So stock is a long-term game. It's not a short-term game. So when you buy stock, be rest assured that you should leave it for some time. Because if I put that $2 back right now, I'll pay transfer fees and I'll also get, the amount I'll get is 1.25. So ladies and gentlemen, welcome to stock. So I'm going to screenshot what I'm starting my stock in with. That is $4, $4.25. It's not much, but let's see what can happen in the next 3, 4, 5 months or even 1 year. So see you in the next video, guys.